Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. If you are, I'd love it if you'd subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you never miss any upload. Today's video is gonna be short and sweet, or maybe not. Y'all, I haven't even edited the video yet, but I just know it's gonna be short just because I'm doing it voiceover style. So what I'm gonna be doing is what do you call this? A roller set, and I'm gonna be using this foam from Browner Brothers. And I got this idea from Denise Adore here on YouTube. If y'all don't know her, y'all need to get hip because her content is bomb. Okay, so she used this mousse along with these old school rollers to achieve a beautiful roller set, and I wanted to go ahead and give it a shot, and I figured why not record it for you guys. So I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory. I believe the mousse has been around for forever, but this packaging does say that it's a new clear shine formula, and it says it leaves your hair with bounce, beauty, and body, and it's a moisturizing wrapping lotion. And she said in her video that you don't need to use a leave-in with it because it's super moisturizing, but you can if you want to. I decided to not use a leave-in, and she was right. It is very moisturizing. I will say, to me, it has like a medium hold, soft to medium hold, because I did get a couple days out of this roller set, but it wasn't gonna last a week. But y'all, I loved how voluminous and shiny my hair was, so I was here for it. Okay, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm very out of practice with my roller sets, so I did struggle a little bit doing this, y'all, which is crazy because when I had relaxed hair, I used to put these rollers in my hair almost every night to go to school. So it's been a minute, but yeah, I feel like the video is pretty self-explanatory. You guys will see the results, see the popping curls, all that good stuff. The mousse is very affordable. I believe it was like maybe $4, if that. So you guys can definitely go check it out. You can get it at your local beauty supply store or any Sally Beauty store. But yeah, it's bomb, and shout out to Denise for putting me on because I love it. Okay, and my results were super duper cute. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you're watching and you like what you see, go ahead and hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed, you know what to do, all that good stuff. And I have more popping content on the way, so stay tuned.